Hello again, beautiful people. It is Sunday, November 22nd, and this is about 6:15 in the morning. I've been up since, well, I didn't sleep at all last night, so I've been up throughout the night, but now I'm just up because my son is up, and I can't sleep anymore. But today's wash day again, so I've already prepped my hair for washing it, like around 4:30 this morning. I was up and I used the same product that I got, the Aricole um, mixture of different oils like coconut oil, cuckoo nut oil, castor oil, grapeseed oil, avocado oil. It's just a mixture of different oils. And I just put that in my scalp and along my hair, and I leave it on there for at least an hour or so. So now it's about 6:15, so I'm about to wash my hair. Oof. So yeah, it's another wash day. So what I'm going to do before I wash my hair, because I wash my hair in the shower while I take a shower, is I'm also going to do a face scrub. This week I'm going to be using this oldie but goodie that I've had for a while. This is my Desert Essence Gentle Stimulating Face Scrub with jojoba oil and almond meal. So I'm definitely going to be using this one. I don't feel like making anything today, so I like this a lot. I've had it for a while. It's been in the back of my my storage area, because I when it comes to products either in my hair or in my skin, I switch constantly. I use different oils, products, because I just like to keep my skin guessing, I guess you can say. If I don't want to consistently use the same product over and over, and then my skin gets used to it. So I'm always switching up stuff. I like to do everything all in one in the shower. So when I'm washing my hair, I just wash this off at the same time. I was watching Gabe and Babe TV the other day. I don't know, maybe like 2 or 3 days ago. And they were asking basically, when do you prefer to wash your face? No, I'm sorry. Gabe, she likes to wash her face in the sink before, and Babe, he likes to wash his face in the shower when he's taking a shower. And I'm definitely on team Babe because I like to do everything in the shower. I don't know why. I don't really like washing my face in the sink unless I have to. One of the reasons is because I hate seeing like watermarks around my sink. I don't like it. I don't like to see. I always have paper towel handy where I can just drop the water, but I hate seeing water all over the place, like the watermarks or the water droplets. When my son uses the bathroom, it annoys me so much. I don't tell him, but I just have to go back after him and just wipe it up because I don't like seeing the watermarks. When you wash your face, the water splatters, and just, you're already in the shower anyways. Just get everything done in the shower one time. I don't know. I just doesn't make. I don't know. I don't like it. The only thing I do is brush my teeth, and there are times where I do everything in the shower. Where I brush my teeth in the shower, wash my face in the shower, and I take a shower. But I already brushed my teeth for the morning, so that's that. But yeah. Let me know what you guys think. Do you guys wash your face in the shower or outside the shower at the sink? So that's that. Is all I'm not gonna try to scare my sister again this week, because last week you saw the debacle where I dropped my phone, almost cracked it. Yeah, but this is it. I like to scrub in these areas right here because I have whiteheads. I like to get really deep on top of my nose. And now let's let this sit. I let this sit for a while, maybe like 10-15 minutes. And I get in the shower, wash my hair, and then wash it all off. One shot deal. How's your morning going? How's your weekend going? Alright, that's all my hair. No biggie, I'm about to wash it anyway. Hope you guys had a wonderful week. Hope your weekend is going even better. I don't have much planned for today, so we shall see. Okay, I have to show you guys what my husband did. He is crazy, okay? Sorry about the smoke detector going off in the background. I will be changing that today when he comes home. But yesterday, I was at work Saturday. He was home. And my son went to my mother's house because my parents wanted to see him really bad. They missed him. Anyway, the point of the story is my husband, I guess, was so bored at home. And by the way, my husband is a neat freak. kind of borderline OCD. I come home, this man went through my kitchen, well, went through our kitchen, and he organized and cleaned everything. He organized all my shelves, all my spices, all my food, everything in the pantry. But this is the kicker, you guys. Look at this. Pages one, this is the front page, the back page, another page, another page. He basically did an inventory of everything that I have in the kitchen.
Hi.
Okay. Everything. Like, who does that? Like, what? I don't know. Like, I don't know. He doesn't. Every single thing I have in the kitchen is basically listed on these pieces of paper. Every seed is, I have onion powder, garlic powder, black pepper, cayenne pepper, every season that I have, baking soda, nutmeg. I have soy sauce. I have anise seed. I have basil. I have oregano. I have roasted jera. I have ground turmeric. Let's see what else I have. I have coconut cream. I have extra thick rich, 1 can of that. And I have 1 can of classic coconut cream. I have tomato paste. I have cornmeal. I have lentil peas. I have spinach. I have flaxseed. I have garlic. I'm not gonna read everything, but he put them in order. But he used to put them in order of height, and then that would annoy me because the things that I would use more often, I'm short. Well, not that short. I'm average. But to reach it, the ones that I use more often are my salt and pepper. I like those to be in the front. So now he organized them this time by the seasonings that I use the most in the front and everything else in the back. Are we going to start? I'm going to ask you a series of interview questions. You ready to answer?
How many questions we got?
I don't know.
I can mentally prepare myself.
I need to mentally prepare yourself.
Right.
Basically, just one question and one question only.
Okay.
Why did you feel the need to organize the kitchen and write down the make a list of the inventory that we have?
Well, that morning I had an epiphany that I need to organize everything in my life. So I said, you know what? Instead of me opening the fridge constantly, let me write stuff down. So maybe when I want to make a meal or have an idea,
make meals?
I'm gonna start doing that. So I'm trying to change my life up.
You're so ridiculous.
So I said, if I write it down, I can just go to my list. I can say, oh, I got this, this, and this. I might need to buy this, this, and that. Instead of me pulling
How
everything.
long did that take you?
It didn't take me that long, actually. It only took like 30 minutes, maybe.
Really?
Yeah.
You're ridiculous.
But, I think it's a good idea. I still have to, like organize the food groups and what kind of stuff they are. So I'm going to have all that prepared. That's how I do it.
Okay.
Just trying new things.
All right.
Yeah.
So, I don't know, all of a sudden I decided that I'm going to retwist my hair. I really can't remember the last time I retwist my hair because I don't do it that often. This is probably the second or maybe the third time for the year that I retwisted my hair. But, so after I washed my hair, I had it in the microfiber towel, this one right here, for about 2 hours. So it's still very damp, but just not dripping wet. And then I followed that up with some coconut oil. And then I put some of this product that I'm trying out. This is the Live Locs honey butter. I'm sorry, Live Locs lot butter to seal in the moisture. Really good. And now I'm going to try the same products, Live Locs. This is their lock and retwist gel. Smells really good, y'all. So I want to try this. Like I said, this is probably my third or probably even second time we twisted my hair for the year. But yeah, this one seems really good. I've read some of the ingredients, and what I love about this, even though I haven't tried it yet, is that the first ingredient is water. Like, that is super important to me. The second one is glycerin. And it has a lot of different things. It also has honey, but not a high concentration. It has vitamin E, sesame seed oil, so on and so forth. So we shall see. It's a very runny consistency. It's not that thick. Very runny. So we shall see how this retwist goes. So it's exactly 8:36 right now. Let's see how long it takes me to retwist this whole head. So what I did, I put it all up in a high pony like this, and I just take it one at a time and just keep going. Wish me luck, you guys. Yeah, my face looks oily because I put, sorry, make sure I give you guys a good view. Okay. I followed up, after I did my face scrub, I followed up with vitamin E oil. So my face, I like to keep it very oily and lubricant on the weekends when I'm not going to work and I'm not going out. I just like to keep my face very moisturized with a lot of oils. So I followed up with vitamin E oil. So that's why it looks so shiny and oily. But it's really working well for my skin. It keeps it nice and smooth, nice and clear. So vitamin E oil this week. Last week I think I used coconut oil. So this week I did vitamin E oil. Keep my skin guessing. Okay, people. So it is now 10:08. And I started this around, I think it was 8:30. So it took me approximately an hour and a half to retwist my whole hair. But I did it super fast. Like I didn't do a lot of rotations. I did one rotation and I did it with pins. I know I've heard it's not the best. I don't know how to do it any other way because I rarely ever do this. But yeah, so it took me about an hour and a half to do my entire head, but I went super fast, you guys. Like I just twirled, pin, twirled, pin, twirled, pin, twirled, pin, like one twirl per lock. I'm gonna actually dry my hair now. I'm going to use my hair dryer that I rarely use also, but I do like this hair dryer. So I'm going to sit under the dryer for a little bit just to make sure my hair is completely and thoroughly dried because it's kind of chilly. Usually in the summertime I let my hair air dry, but now that it's in the colder months in the winter time, sometimes I do use my dryer. And one of my subbies, hey, she mentioned, you know, the benefits of drying your hair occasionally, especially if you don't want to get mildew and stuff like that. So I will be sitting on the dryer for a little bit. But there you go. Cool beans? Cool beans. I didn't get a chance to give you guys the outfit of the day. So, leggings. Today's leggings. Hopefully you can see it really good. Flower Power. Sunflowers all the way. Plain white socks today. And this shirt says bacon and legs. Crazy. But I got this shirt. I was in Virginia Beach with my family. And on the beach, you know, there were a lot of events going on. And they had some local DJs there, and they were having contests with people. And I won a t-shirt, but it says bacon and legs. What does that mean? I don't know. I see the picture there. It's a lady. She has long legs, and I guess those are supposed to be the eggs and the bacon. That's her face. I don't know, but that's the outfit of the day. I want to show you guys something. I'm giving my son a bath. As you can see, the water looks disgusting.
No,
but
sir.
it's not disgusting, right? It's good. It's good water, right? I don't want to show him, so you can see his little foot right there. Anyway, these I want to show it to you guys.
Hi.
Hi. My son has dry skin.
I might have my back.
I know, my love, but wait, mommy's talking. And he has he used to struggle with eczema a lot, but I've combated that with a lot of natural oils and natural remedies. So one thing that I do for him is I do this bath at least once a week where I fill the tub with bath water, but I also add my activated charcoal that you guys saw in my previous vlog, and I also add the Aztec Indian healing clay. Hi. And that's what he soaks in. So that's why the water looks so black, because it has the activated charcoal, and it also has the Aztec, the bentonite clay inside of it. So he just sits in here and plays until he's ready to come out. And it works, yes. And it works wonders for his skin. It just makes it helps a lot with his eczema and his dry skin.
Hot.
And it's not hot. I know mommy didn't do it hot. The only downside is the cleanup. I don't know. But don't worry, you guys. It wipes off very easily. Very quick to clean up. Let me just show you real quick. See? It wipes off very easily. So, but it works well for his skin, so whatever works. You know. Alright, you guys, and just like that, it's as if nothing ever happened. Really, really quick to clean. Okay, so sorry about the noise in the background, but I'm on this live broadcast right now about, you know, making your presence known in the making your presence known on the internet and how you can help people more on the internet, which is one of my biggest goals. It's hosted by Zaylee Barkley. If you guys don't know her, you can follow her. She's also known as Token Dread Girl. So there's a few people on here also, like Jocelyn Renee from Curly New Growth. She's here also. So we're on a live broadcast with her, and she's just basically showing the importance of, you know, having a presence on the internet, especially if you want to help people. So right now it's about 3 or 4 in the afternoon. I cooked, I made dinner, and I'm on this live broadcast. I know my face look crazy oily, but yeah, my hair looks good though. So as you guys can see, I like other angles better. Not much went on today. I cooked. I didn't get to show you guys what I cooked, but it was really good. I just basically did a lot of work on the computer. I'm trying to build myself as a brand, you guys, as a better person. Yes, I have a full-time job, and I really, really, really want to build my Kaya Journey brand. And from the live broadcasting that I was on with Zaylee Barkley, she's known as Token Dread Girl, and some other YouTubers, some other people that help you build your brand and build your website and build your digital presence. You have to find out, what do you want to do? What is your goal? Do you want to sell something? Do you want to engage with people? Do you want to teach them something? And I honestly think I want to teach and engage. I have nothing to sell right now, but I'm really big on teaching positivity and teaching people how to love themselves. And I want to engage with people on that. So I'm going to have to revamp some stuff, but I spent most of today learning. So there was not much vlogging to do. But still, for the little bit that I did give you guys and show you guys, hopefully you guys enjoyed it today. Let me know in the comment section how your day was. And that's it, you guys. Hopefully you guys have a wonderful week. And I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe. Why not? And also, you guys, I just did a Periscope account, not just, a few days ago. And Snapchat, and don't forget to follow me on Instagram, where you can follow my life journey. That's it for you guys. Have a good night, and make sure you guys are continuing to enjoy your journey.